Can you guess what's through the binoculars and the time limit? Have fun, everyone! Colorful leaves. Did you know? Leaves change color in autumn because trees are saving energy for the winter. Pumpkins. Wow! The world's largest pumpkin weighed over 2,600 pounds, that's heavier than a car. Apple cider. Yum! People have been enjoying apple cider for over 2,000 years. Hayrides. Hayrides started as a way to help farmers bring in their harvest. Now they are a fun autumn activity. Acorns. Acorns are oak tree seeds, and they were a common food for Native Americans. Corn maze. Corn mazes are large mazes cut out of corn fields, and they can be very tricky to navigate. Scarecrows. Scarecrows are like guardians of the fields, scaring away birds that might eat the crops. Football games. Football is often associated with fall in many countries, bringing communities together to cheer for their favorite teams. Harvest. Harvest season is when farmers collect the crops they've grown over the summer to store for winter. Halloween. Halloween is celebrated on October 31st, and it's a fun day to dress up in costumes and go trick-or-treating. Turkey, Thanksgiving. In the USA, Thanksgiving is a special autumn holiday where families gather to share a meal, often featuring turkey. Cranberries. Cranberries are harvested in the fall, and they are a popular part of many autumn dishes. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a warm spice that people love to use in autumn recipes like pies and cider. Cozy sweaters. Cozy sweaters help keep us warm as the temperatures drop during the autumn months. Bonfires. Bonfires are a way to stay warm outside and enjoy the crisp autumn nights. Squirrels gathering nuts. Squirrels are busy in autumn, gathering nuts to store for the winter. Apple picking. Apple picking is a popular autumn activity, and there are many different varieties of apples to discover. Caramel apples. Caramel apples are a sweet treat many people enjoy in the autumn. Chrysanthemums. Chrysanthemums, or mums, are beautiful flowers that bloom in the fall. Hiking in the fall. Hiking is a wonderful way to enjoy the beautiful autumn colors in nature. Migration. Many birds and animals start their migration journey to warmer places during autumn. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with others and subscribe for more. Happy learning, everyone!